Hello everyone, this is Math Olympiad, and today in this video we were going to discuss about International Mathematical Olympiad grade 5th. And as there are given the four section, if I'm talking about the syllabus, so number of questions of logical reasoning are 15 and each question contain 1 marks. Then mathematical reasoning, number of question contain 20 and each question contain 1 marks. Everyday mathematics, number of questions are given 10 and each question contain 1 marks. Achiever section, the hardest part of paper, having 5 questions and each question contain 3 marks. So total numbers are 50 and timing is given 1 hour. So timing is very important. For more practice, I will suggest you a blog where you find out questions and they may help you during the examination. Now, come to the syllabus pattern. So, first of all, the pattern, then analogy, classification, geometrical shapes, mirror, water image, directions, sense test, ranking test, alphabet test, logical reasoning, sequence, puzzle test, coding and decoding. In section 2, students, in section 2, we need to learn about the numerals value, numbers name, number sense, 7 and 8 digit numbers, computations, operations, fraction, decimal, measurement, length, weight, capacity, time, temperature, money, conversions, geometrical shapes and solid, angles, perimeter and various shapes and area, rectangle and square, symmetry, data handling. In section 3, the syllabus of this section will be based on the mathematical reasoning. Section for the HOT questions, it means higher order thinking questions as per syllabus 2. Now, come to the first question of paper. As we discuss the syllabus, if the following numbers are arranged in descending order, then what will be the middle digits of the number which will be exactly in middles? Middle means a number which is in center position. For example, we have 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. So 2 consider as a middle number because it is in middle. It means center position. One number is here in extreme, one number here in extreme. Suppose we have a 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 3 as a middle number because it has two center numbers, two extreme numbers 1 and 2 from the left side and 4 and 5 from the right side. So before arranging all the numbers in descending numbers, must be remember that descending means what? From greatest number to smallest number. It means we just started from the greatest one and then we move then to the smallest one. In ascending order, these numbers are arranged in ascending order. In ascending order, we need to arrange numbers from smallest to greatest one. Okay. So here when we discuss the descending, so the largest numbers is this one. I just give the numbers. This is 1. It means the largest number. The second largest will be this one, 2. And the third largest will be this one. Fourth is this. Then fifth, then sixth, and then seventh. So if you arrange these numbers in this sequence, so we just find out the middle number is 4. It means in 4th place you have 4 to 3. Now, question is a little bit tricky in here. 4 to 3 we got as a middle number. But in this question say find out the middle number, then what will be the middle digit of the number? So middle digit of the number is what? 2, because one number is extreme here, one number extreme here. So 2 is basically the middle digit of given number. So the answer will be 2. Okay. Now, in the second questions given, Mohit travels 12 km west. then 3 kilometers towards the south, and 12 kilometers towards the east. How far now, Mohit, from its, you know, I think starting points. So first of all, students, here you need to learn about the direction. Sorry, it rotates. Direction, if I'm talking about the direction, so we have 4 direction. Okay, north, south, and this is west, this is east. Don't be confused, because many of you confuse West Bengal in India is in east side. Actual, it is west because of west part. Okay, if I'm talking about the area of Bengal, so this is west, this is east. So do not confuse. East is always near the Bay of Bengal, and west is near the Gujarat. Only in Indian map. In world map, you can easily now examine the other country. For example, if I'm talking about north place, so it's North America maybe, and here the south, so South America maybe. So there are so many things you need to learn before the direction, because direction is very important to understand the proper location of the any country, any rivers, any ocean. So leave the rest all the topics. We are talking about the mathematics. So Mohit traveled 10 kilometers west. So I just let Mohit will be in this position. Okay, he went 12 kilometers west, then 3 kilometers south. Okay, then again 12 kilometers east in this position. How far he from its starting point? So the starting point is basically here. He go 12, then 3. So if you found this is a rectangle, so this 12, so this is 3, then this will be 3. So this is our answer. We travel 3 kilometers from its starting point. Okay, so second question done. Now move to the next question. In this question, given the shapes, in the first case, there is a cylinder in vertical and then horizontal. Vertical means standing, horizontal means lying position, and there is a symbol which turn little bit to this side, so it's become like a plus. Here is multiple. There is a black dot, become the hollow dot. Now cone, here is a cone, vertical means standing, so it must be in such a way. Okay, now this symbol which is less than such position, so it must be in this way. Now there is a black dot, then it will be what? There is a hollow dot. So such symbol, these two are matched, but this is not. Here these three are matched, so answer will be this one. This one is not, this one is not. Okay, we will go with D. Now the next question. I hope you understand well. So in this question, ACEG is a rectangle. ACEG. ACEG. Below is divided in 4 parts. BCDS is square. Square means, suppose this side is given around, I just make it a little bit smaller so that I can use a spin properly. Now this is a square. If all sides are equal, what is the area of the shaded part? So let it 16, complete it as given, so the rest part will be 12. This is what? 8 complete. Okay, so rest part is what? Rest part will be 4. So when we multiply 12 4 times, so we get 48. So 48 square centimeter, the area of the shaded part. This is the shaded region. Okay, I hope clear all of you. Now move to the next question. In the next question, Rohit cycled from his house to the post office, then to the market, then the hospital, and then he went to the house. The distance are marked given figure. What is the total distance covered by the Rohan? Okay, so Rohan is name, not Rohit. So we just go to the diagram as this picture suggests. If you try to add these numbers, so always remember to add the decimals. Decimal is very important part, adding the number. I tried to clear your doubt here. Decimal, there is a two kind of digit, like, unlike. In like decimal, children, always remember numbers are equals after decimal. For example, I just write down 2.372, another number 2.3. So they are unlike numbers. If you want to make it like numbers, you just added two zeros. Now they both are like because after decimal it has 1, 2, 3 numbers. After decimal it also has 1, 2, 3 numbers. So first priority to convert all numbers in decimal. Second, after converting all the numbers in like decimal, you need to write the numbers in a proper place. Proper place matlab, I just explain it. Wait. For example, we have a number 1.3. We just write down 1.3. Now we have a second number 6.65. So 6 is here, then decimal, use decimal, 6 and 5. So what is here? 6 is actually below the 3. So the place of this 6 is 1/10. This is also have 1/10 place. Always remember about the placing numbers. Now here is a 0.75. So do not write 0.75 such a way. It's wrong. Try to use the same method. Wait, I just, yeah. Now use point, then 7, then 5, because 7 is in 1/10 place and it's 100 place. Okay. Now 1.6. So we need to write down 1 is here, then point, then 6. I hope you understand well how to write the numbers. Now just use zeros, zeros to make it like decimal. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry 4, 16, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 and 6, you have 23, 3 carry 2, 3, 6, 9, 1, 10. So this is around 10.3 equal to this one. And next thing is very important, do not use numbers together here. When we read numbers, when we speak number, for example, you can't say it 6.65. No, it's wrong. You just need to say 6.65, okay, or 6.65. So this. Now children, in Roman numbers, I means 1, double I means 2, triple I means 3, IV means 4, V means 5, VI means 6, V double I means 7, V triple I means 8, IX means 9, X means 10, XI means 11. In such a way, we go to the numbers. Suppose that we need to X was 20, so double X, for 30, triple X, for 40 is important. For 40, my dear, we need to write down XL. For 60, we need to write down LX. It means 50 is represented by L. Okay. When we write X left side, it reduces 10. When we write X right side, it increases 10. Now for 100, we have C. So such a way we used to represent numbers in Roman. Now consider this case. In the first question, XL triple X is around the 63. Okay. Then XL IV, it means it's a 64, which is equivalent to 1 to 7. Now the second case is XC, it's around the 99 and minus LX68. So I hope this number is greater. Now L double X, which is 79. L double X I X 79. Triple X I X means 39. It's also less. LV it's means 57 because double I also, so 57, and plus XL which is equal to 60. So I think the greatest number is A. So you just take it A. Okay. Now the next question. In this question, Mr. Gupta bought a house of 16,72,000. He spent 12,582 on furniture, 8,540 on buying the curtain. Then he spent another 5,675 for preparing the front lawn of the house. How much did he spend all together? So follow the same rule as I instructed you in decimal, but in this case you just write down the number such a way: 1672123, then 12582. So try to write down from the backwards, then 8, then 5, then 2, then 1, 0, 4, 5, 8, and the last is 5, 7, 6, 5. So why I try to write from the back side? Because when we write, so number has exact place, and now you can add these numbers proper way. I try to change the color. Now I just use this color. So 2 plus 5, 7, 8, 4, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 1 carry, 6, 5, 11, 11, 6, 17, 7, 1 carry, 3, 4, 2, 5, 5 at 13, 13, 5, 18, 1 carry. So basically it's 8, then 9, and 6. So 1698797, 1698797. So this is our answer. I hope you got. Thank you so much. Now move to the next question. Now Minnie took 35 minutes to complete her homework. She finished her homework at 12. Sorry, she started her homework at 12:05 p.m. What time did she start doing her homework? What time she starts? Suppose he finished his homework. So if, sorry, she finished. She finished, it means that she started 35 minutes earlier than given time. Now, suppose, so first of all, we need to learn about the PM and AM. What is the PM? PM means post meridian. Post meridian. AM means anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. It's suppose then when they start from midnight of 12. So at night, midnight, which is 12, then if you say after 12, what do you get? 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. 4 a.m. means early time in morning, then 5 a.m., 6 a.m., such a way. So by noon of 11:59, this time considered as a AM. It means morning time. 12:01, because noon 12 is called 12 noon. So 12:01 means what? PM. Then 12:05 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m. So this time is indicate about the noon time, then evening time. Now, if we subtract 35 minutes from given time, which is equal 12:05. So I just take 5 minutes here. We need to take 35 minutes. So first of all, we take the 5 minutes. So here become 30 and here become 12. Why? Because we take the 5. So if you take 5 here, from here too, because we need to balance it. Now, when we subtract 30 minutes from 12 o'clock, so you get 11:30. It means we take half an hour from the 12 o'clock. So half an hour means what? 30 minutes. And because we go left side of a clock or in morning side of clock, so it must be AM. So if you get, yeah, this is 11:30 AM. This is your answer. This is not, it may be the 11:30 also, but and there is a problem of PM, and we need to find the time in AM. So this is the correct. So you need to learn AM PM also, because it may confuse you. Okay, so this question done. Now move to the next question. So in this question, Monu is thinking of 4-digit numbers having all different digits. The unit place digit is the greatest one-digit number. Greatest one-digit numbers having 9, I think. This one and this one, two cases we have. When the 10 place digit is divided, 10 place means we have 10 place number here. Now the greatest is also there, na? Because yeah, this is also greatest. This one is only not, because here 9 is after 6, and 8 is the extreme position one place. So we have three possibilities in this question. It means maybe from these three, one will be the answer. So the tens place digit divided by the thousand place digit. Okay. The quotient is 2. Tens place this one, thousand place is this one. Not possible in case tens place is this one, and thousand place is this one. Wait. I make something wrong. Yeah, again. Tens place is this one. Thousand place is this one. When tens place digit divided by thousand, so 1, 2 divided by 1. So we have a quotient also 2. So this may be happen. This is not happen. This is not happen. This is not happen. So our answer will be D. Okay. Because we need to find out the quotient is also 2. So this is only the possible case when you divide tens place number by the thousand place number, means in 10 place number. Oh, sorry. Little bit confusion. Sorry for this. I do it again. This is 1 place number. This is 10. This is 100. This is 1000. Okay. 1, 10, 100, then 1000. 1, 10, 100, 1000. 1, 10, 100, 1000. So tens place number is divided by thousand place number. So 10 place number, basically we have 6 is here. Sorry, and thousand place number we have a 3. So we get the quotient 2 in this case only. And similarly, this one is also, when 8 divided by 4, we get what? 2. So 2 possible cases we have. Okay. Yeah. This is not and this is not. Now, the unit place digit greatest one digit number. Greatest one digit number is now 9. So there is a lot of confusion in this question here. So be carefully when you solve, because these two numbers just like same and both have same things. For example, we have a greatest number is here also 8, because among the 3, 7, 6, 8, 8 is the greatest one. In 4, 7, 8, 9, 9 is the greatest one. But one thing similar also, because when you divide 6 tens place from the thousand place, you get 2 as a quotient. Similarly, when you divide 8 by 4, you get quotient as a 2. So both situations, I think, followed the same rule. But this is important point, that is given that the unit place digit is the greatest one digit number. Greatest one digit number, always remember, is 9. So the correct answer will be B. Sorry for the confusion, but exactly answer is B. Now move to the next question. The figure is given made of the square and rectangle. Okay, 18 must be 18. It's also 18. It's also be 18. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 length of edge of the square. Okay. Breadth of rectangle is 1/3 edge of the square. It means 18's 1/3 is what? 6. So this is the breadth. This is the breadth. Okay. If the area of the whole figure is 384, find the length of the rectangles. Very important. I think we need to learn the things proper way. First of all, we need to find the length. But before going to find out the length, we have a area also. So if we find the total area of this figure, which is equal to 384, in terms of uh, these two figures, so area of square plus area of rectangle. So area of square is what? 18 multiply 18. Area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied width, which is equal to 384. Now, when you multiply these two numbers 324, we have a breadth also as a 6. We got it. So 6L, because we need to find the length, na, is equal to 384. Now, transfer 384 on this side, so 6L is equal to what? 384 minus 324, which is equal to 60. 6L is equal to 60, or L is what? 60 divided by 6. So L is equal to 10. So I think we get the 10 centimeter. So this is our answer. Remember, we need to add this area of square and this area of rectangle. Now we already have the edges of square. So we just add these numbers and let it as a L. So 6L is equal to 384, and 6L plus 324 is equal to 384. 324 we transfer that side, we get 16 divided by 10, divided by 6, we get length as a 10 centimeter. If you feel further doubts, so you can make a comment. I make a separate topic for this. I hope you clear. Now move to the next question. Sorry, 10 questions are there. So last answer we have a 10. Okay, so these 10 questions we completed, and I hope you learn this question, you understand proper way. In case you find any kind of difficulties, any kind of questions, any kind of personal training, personal tuition, so you just comment me. I will arrange everything for you. We have a lot of material, test material freely, so I also provide you. Please support us, subscribe us, and enjoy Math Olympiad. Thank you so much.